What if your protein shake is losing nutrients before you even take a sip? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best protein shake blenders that actually deliver smooth, clump-free results fast. You'll discover which ones save time, money, and effort. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below to grab yours easily. At number 5 is Oster 24 ounce. Most people think all budget blenders perform the same, but one wrong choice can turn your protein shake into a gritty disappointment. That's the frustration anyone exploring the top 5 best protein shake blenders faces daily. The Oster 24 ounce flips that script. Its 24 ounce jar is ideal for personal shakes or small double servings, balancing size with convenience. The stainless steel blades tackle frozen fruit, protein powders, and even small ice cubes with steady consistency, delivering smoother texture than many similarly priced models. Unlike tiny 14 ounce personal blenders, it handles slightly thicker shakes without overfilling or splashing. Downsides? It's not built for family-sized batches, and cleanup takes a little longer than ultra-compact portable blenders. Compared to others, the Oster 24 ounce is lighter, easier to store, and surprisingly durable for everyday use. For anyone seeking a practical, affordable, and reliable solution, this blender transforms rushed mornings into smooth, satisfying nutrition with. At number 4 is Hamilton Beach 14 ounce. Most protein shake blenders overpromise and underdeliver, leaving gritty shakes, half-crushed ice, and wasted powder behind. That's the frustration anyone searching for the top 5 best protein shake blenders knows too well. The Hamilton Beach 14 ounce changes the game for personal, on-the-go nutrition. Its compact 14 ounce jar fits perfectly in a backpack or kitchen counter without dominating space. The stainless steel blades cut through soft fruits and protein powder efficiently, making a smooth shake in seconds. Cleanup is a breeze. Twist, rinse, and done, unlike larger blenders that require multiple pieces and time-consuming washing. Downsides? It's not designed for large batches or heavy ice crushing. But compared to others, the Hamilton Beach 14 ounce delivers portability, speed, and reliable texture. For anyone juggling work, workouts, or school mornings, this small but mighty blender turns rushed, uneven shakes into a smooth, convenient, and satisfying start to the day. On number 3 is Ninja 1200 Peak Watt. Most home blenders pretend to handle thick protein shakes but fail the moment ice, frozen fruit, or dense powders hit the jar. That's the frustration anyone searching for the top 5 best protein shake blenders knows too well. The Ninja 1200 Peak Watt changes that narrative entirely. Its 1200 watt motor crushes ice, frozen berries, and heavy protein blends with precision, creating a creamy, lump-free shake every time. Unlike smaller personal blenders, it handles larger batches without multiple refills, while still being easy enough to clean after heavy use. The control panel is intuitive. Pulse, blend, and smooth textures are at your fingertips. Downsides? It's louder and takes more counter space than compact options. But compared to others, the Ninja 1200 Peak Watt delivers unmatched blending power and speed, making thick shakes effortless. For anyone tired of gritty, uneven shakes, this blender transforms your routine into fast, satisfying nutrition that actually tastes like it should. At number 2 is Nutribullet 32 ounce. Most people think a blender is just a jar and some spinning blades until their protein shake turns into a gritty, half-mixed mess. That's the daily disappointment many face when exploring the top 5 best protein shake blenders. The Nutribullet 32 ounce changes the story entirely. Its 32 ounce jar hits the sweet spot between personal size and family-friendly capacity, while the nutrient extraction blades pulverize frozen fruit, peanut butter, and protein powder into a silky, lump-free shake. Unlike smaller personal blenders that struggle with thick ingredients, the Nutribullet 32 ounce delivers smoother texture without overfilling or multiple batches. Cleanup is effortless, and the compact footprint makes it easy to store, unlike bulkier countertop options. Now, it's not built for huge party-sized smoothies, and extremely tough nuts need extra pulsing. Still, for everyday shakes, green smoothies, and meal replacements, this blender balances power, portability, and efficiency, turning rushed mornings into satisfying, ready-to-drink nutrition without wasted effort. Now moving to the last one is Chefman 48 ounce. Most protein shakes fail before they reach your lips, clumps sink, foam rises, and the texture ruins the effort you put into training. When reviewing the top 5 best protein shake blenders, one frustration kept coming up: weak motors that can't handle thick scoops or frozen add-ins. The Chefman 48 ounce answers that problem with space and strength. Its 48 ounce blending jar means fewer refills, perfect for double servings or post-workout batches. The stainless steel blades cut through ice, peanut butter, and dense protein powder with impressive consistency. Push-button controls keep it simple. No complicated presets. Now, it's not the most compact option on the counter, and it's slightly louder than smaller personal blenders. But compared to others, the Chefman 48 ounce smoothie blender delivers smoother texture and better volume for serious shake drinkers. If you're investing in your nutrition, this blender supports the habit, turning gritty mixtures into something you'll actually look forward to drinking. Among these great options, the Chefman 48 ounce stands out as the winner. It hits the perfect balance of power, capacity, and everyday convenience. The large 48 ounce jar lets you blend full protein shakes without constant refills. Its robust motor handles frozen fruit, ice, and powder smoothly. Compared to smaller units like the Oster 24 ounce or Hamilton Beach 14 ounce, Chefman delivers richer texture and fewer clumps. If you want value, performance, and reliable results for daily shakes, this is the one to pick. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best protein shake blenders. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.